If you manage multiple WordPress sites on the same server, you probably hate re-entering your SSH credentials every single time. SSH profiles solve that. In WP Maintenance Manager, you set up a profile once per server, and every site on that server reuses it automatically. Update the profile in one place. It applies everywhere. Before we start, you will need a few things from your hosting provider: the host name, your SSH username, the port, and your private SSH key file. If you have not set those up yet, check your host's documentation. Every major WordPress host has an SSH setup guide. In this video, I will walk you through the 7 fields of an SSH profile, show you how to test the connection, and how to save it. By the end, you will have a working profile ready to use. Let's get started. Open WP Maintenance Manager. In the Talk toolbar, click Settings, then SSH Profile Manager. This is where all your SSH profiles live. If this is your first time, the list is empty. Click the Add button in the top right to create a new profile, followed by a connection test and save. First, profile name. This is just a label. Use something descriptive like SiteGround, Production, or Kinsta, Client A. It only appears inside the app, so pick anything that helps you remember. Second, SSH host. This is your server's hostname or IP address. You will find it in your hosting control panel. Third, SSH user. The username you use to log in over SSH. On shared hosting, this is often the same as your FTP username. Fourth, SSH port. Usually 22, but some hosts use a custom port. Check your hosting documentation to confirm. Fifth, private key path. This is the full path to your SSH private key file on your computer. On Mac, it is usually under the .ssh folder in your home directory. On Windows, it is under your user folder. Sixth, SSH passphrase. This one is optional. When you created your SSH key, you may or may not have set a passphrase to protect it. If you did, enter that passphrase here. If you did not, which is the default for most tutorials, just leave this field blank. Important, this is not your SSH login password. It is only the passphrase that unlocks your private key file. If you are not sure, leave it blank and try the connection. If the test fails with a key decryption error, come back and enter your passphrase. Seventh, WP-CLI path. Most of the time, the default value WP works fine. Only change this if your server needs a custom path, like /user/local/bin/WP. Once all 7 fields are filled in, click the Test Connection button at the bottom of the form. WP Maintenance Manager sends a real SSH request to your server using the credentials you just entered. A spinner appears while it connects. If the test succeeds, you will see a green success message along with the WordPress installations detected on your server. This confirms 3 things. Your credentials are correct, WP-CLI is available on the server, and WordPress installations were found. With a green result, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the form. Your profile is stored and is now ready to be reused across every site on that server. It tells you exactly what to fix. Let's cover the 3 most common errors now. First, permission denied. This usually means your public key is not registered on the server, or your username is wrong. Double-check that the public key in your hosting panel matches the private key on your machine. Second, connection timed out. The port is probably wrong, or your firewall is blocking outbound SSH. Check the port one more time in your hosting control panel. Third, WP command not found. Your host does not have WP-CLI pre-installed. Ask your host to install it or specify a custom path to a WP-CLI binary in the 7th field. Your profile is saved. Now what? When you add a WordPress site in WP Maintenance Manager, you will see a drop-down called Select SSH Profile. Pick the profile you just created, and all the SSH fields autofill. Change the profile later, every linked site updates automatically. That's SSH profiles, the foundation of the whole app.